I think you will agree with me that Blackbird is one of the most famous, if not the most famous ever, fingerpicking played song of all times. Now, quite recently, one of my subscribers wrote me and addressed me to a video where you can see Paul playing Blackbird live. And in this video, the camera insists, it focuses specifically on his left hand, so in the finger picking pattern that he used to play the song. It's very clear in this video. And this guy wrote me, "I never seen that. Can you please explain to me what is he doing with his left hand? What is the exact strumming pattern that he's using? Because I've never seen this anywhere." And I thought, how is this possible? Blackbird is the most famous fingerpicking song of all times. There will be hundreds of tutorials showing how Paul is strumming the strings, right? So I went on YouTube and started scanning all the video tutorials that I could find. So I found this one was not correct, this one was not correct, this one and this one and this one and this 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 again. And guess what? I wasn't able to find any showing how Paul is playing the finger picking pattern of Blackbird. So if you always have the impression that something was wrong when you played Blackbird, that something was not sounding exactly like the record, it's because you learned this one wrong. And in this video, I will show you how to play this one right. Let's dig directly into the part. For the recording of Blackbird in the White Album, Paul again used the Martin D28 that he bought a few months before, in 1968, along with another one that John also bought. The whole part is played by resting the wrist, the hand here on the bridge, and strum all around the outer part of the sound hole in this area here. This will allow me to mute the strings here and there. I will show this in a different video, okay? This is a technique hidden inside the performance. To learn this finger picking strumming pattern correctly, I suggest that you mentally divide this one in two different parts, okay? The first part is the one that Paul plays by plucking the two strings, the second and the fifth, or sometimes the sixth, this way. Okay, and the second one is the one that he plays with the index finger and thumb. So first part, and the second one, this one. Why am I pointing this out? This is because throughout the whole song, when Paul is plucking these two strings, or for example at the beginning, these two strings here, he's doing this in a specific way. So just like, allow me the term, just like you want to slightly rip off the two strings, okay? So it's not just a kind of soft thing like, but it's made this way, kind of a bit harder than you can imagine that. Look at how I am, okay, plucking the strings by ripping them off this way, okay. The second movement is made this way. So we have index finger going down and up, then thumb, in this case on the fifth string, the A, or in our case on the sixth one, and then up and down movement of the index. You see that I'm muting the D string with this finger here, okay? So it's not sounding very low. Okay, so the movements together are and this goes throughout the whole song except for one single part, which is at the very beginning when he plays and he goes to the 12th fret here. The first time he plays this one, he finger picks this one this way. Okay, so, and the second one from then on is standard. So, first time, and then, oh, by the way, when you go up here, remember there's no down strumming here. And again, no down strumming here. Okay, so. And from here on is standard. That was it. The mysterious pattern of Blackbird for the first time ever at your disposal. Incredible, but it's like this. So on the next video I will concentrate on all the other nuances that include a lot of different stuff that Paul is using throughout the whole performance that makes this performance the legend that it is, okay? It will be probably the next video or one of the next. So stay in touch. Hope you appreciate this one. There's no such enjoyment than being able to reproduce a Beatles song just like you always heard it, just like you have it in your DNA since you heard them and the song for the first time. See you next video. Thanks for staying with me. Ciao.